Welcome to the village.
Please remember our leave no trace policy and stay close.
Look, up there, a pair of rhinoceros hornbills.
Quiet steps and respectful distance are key to observing the wildlife here.
It's absolutely stunning. I've only seen them in books.
They are a symbol of the forest's health.
Nine, 10, 11, 12. They are moving very fast.
Lahora brimblewise. This ficus species relies heavily on the long-tailed macaques for seed dispersal.
They primarily feed on the leaves and fruit of the mangrove trees you see here.
See how the veins on its body match the leaf. It's almost impossible to spot unless it moves. This is why we observe without touching. These giant dipterocarp trees are the Goliaths of the rainforest. Their massive buttress roots stay. The vibrant colors of the ginger plant attract these beautiful Raja Brooks birdwings, essential for the pollination process here in the rainforest.
These are fresh tracks, maybe a wild pig or deer. See how the mud is pushed up here? We follow this.
The rhinoceros hornbill is crucial to this ecosystem. As it consumes the fig, it acts as the forest's guard.
Look closely, everyone, but remember the rule of the forest. Observe, do not handle. We must respect their space.
The Blackwater tributaries are home to many species. We must remain quiet to them respectfully.
Here we have the reticulated python. It's perfectly camouflaged and currently resting, conserving energy. These bracket fungi are crucial decomposers, breaking down the tough wood of this log.
Look closely right here. Follow my hand to the high canopy. There's a rhinoceros hornbill nest in that large dipterocarp.
Oh wow, I see it. Get a photo, Ben.
Notice how the Draco launches itself. It utilizes its brightly colored wing membranes to glide from one tree.
We gently observe, but always minimize our impact. This is a lowland dipterocarp forest. Notice the massive buttress roots on these trees. See the remarkable ball and socket pattern on the feathers? When it displays, it clears an area of the forest floor and fans these out.
Notice how the matriarch protects the younger ones while they drink. They consume vast amounts of water daily.
The peristome here is incredibly slippery when wet, causing insects to lose their footing and fall into the digestive fluid below.
You can see the clear outline of the pads here. Finding this track reminds us how vital it is to protect their remaining habitat.
The Thomas leaf monkey is endemic to Sumatra. They primarily eat leaves, as you can see, but also enjoy the occasional fruit. It's a parasite, relying entirely on the tetrastigma vine for nutrients, which is why finding one in bloom is so rare.
The Titan arum is truly a wonder of the rainforest. Its life cycle is long and fragile.
Notice the fine texture of the skin. It's how they breathe. And remember, no flash photography, and please don't touch the specimen. This beautiful vine snake relies entirely on its camouflage. It's a perfect example of the delicate balance in this ecosystem. The rhinoceros hornbill, an icon of Borneo. Here we see a mated pair sharing a fig, a beautiful display of their monogamous bond. The giant honeybee, Apis dorsata, builds these massive single-comb nests high in the canopy.
Sunbirds, and over there, a drongo. They move so quickly through the canopy.
Listen to the waterfall's roar. It's captured beautifully on the recorder.
Careful here, the footing is secure but wet. These montane forests are unique. The high humidity allows for this incredible diversity of mosses and these beautiful orchids. The silvery gibbon lives in small, tight-knit family groups, usually just a pair and their offspring. This is Phalaenopsis amabilis, one of the 5,000 species of orchids here.
Follow the path of the stones carefully.
We are recording the ambient soundscape now. It's very peaceful.
The Javan langurs are quite agile, aren't they? They mostly eat leaves, which is why you see them foraging now.
This specific fern indicates a very stable, humid environment, crucial for these tiny insects you are filming.
Look at this view. It reminds us why we must protect this sacred land for the generations to come.
Be careful, everyone. The mossy rocks near the edge are very slippery. By examining the detail in these tracks, we can estimate their numbers. We avoid direct contact, prioritizing the animal's welfare.
These blue butterflies are crucial pollinators for the hillside. Notice how they interact with the tiny strawberry flowers.
Notice how still she is. The wet environment helps her blend in, waiting for the perfect moment to ambush.
We are now entering Wallacea, a truly unique transition zone. The anoa is highly vulnerable. There are only a few thousand left in the wild, which is why protecting their habitat is so crucial. They rely entirely on the sun-heated sand to incubate the eggs. It's one of the few birds in the world that displays this behavior. The shimmering effect you see on the nest is fascinating. It's called shimmering or defense flashing. The dominant male, as you can see, maintains order. This clear hierarchy is crucial for the troop. Here we see the intricate process of decomposition. These fungi, along with the insects, are recycling the nutrients.
That is a coconut orchid, and you can see the vibrant colors as it feeds on the nectar.
It's incredible how the surface tension supports the water striders. The water acts almost like a trampoline for them. This hillside forest is incredibly diverse. If we pause here, you can hear the symphony of the birds.
The green tree monitor uses that forked tongue to taste the air, analyzing scents from the swamp below. Look over there, past the coastline. That is the direction of Papua. We are documenting this incredible view. When we enter the hutan here in Papua, we move quietly and respectfully. Look at the cask. It's magnificent. We keep this distance to show respect and keep everyone safe.
The tree kangaroo is one of the forest's true gems. They are perfectly adapted to life high up here among the branches.
This is the true heart of the forest. The sago palm provides the staple food.
This beautiful blue crab is a vital indicator of the stream's health. They thrive only in the cleanest water.
This butterfly is endemic to our islands. It's a beautiful example of how species adapt and evolve in isolation.
These mangrove forests are critical nurseries. The tangled roots provide shelter for juvenile fish and crabs before they venture into the open ocean.
This ecosystem, where the forest meets the sea, is incredibly fragile and interconnected.
Look closely inside the dew. You can see the whole canopy reflected there.
The termites here are essential decomposers, recycling the nutrients from this fallen wood back into the ecosystem.
The biodiversity here is truly remarkable. These giant ferns alone support dozens of insect species we're only beginning to identify.
The rainforest teaches us about protection, gratitude, and respect. It is our hope that this journey